This is a brand new 2014 Ram truck. Its top features include a navigation system, commercial-free satellite radio, a locking rear differential, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a driver airbag, full power accessories, a security system, traction control, an anti-lock braking system, and an auxiliary power outlet. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Thank you for considering the Larson Automotive Group, serving the Northwest for over 58 years. Come see why we are the largest automotive group in Washington State.